with the Pagan Festival, Title 5. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm James from Haswings, and today we're diving into the interesting connections between Guy Fawkes Night, or Bonfire Night, and some of the pagan traditions that came long before it. Though most people associate November 5th with the Gunpowder Plot and Guy Fawkes, some of the ways we celebrate have ties to older seasonal rituals and fire festivals. Let's start with a quick refresher. Guy Fawkes Night commemorates the failed Gunpowder Plot of 1605, when Guy Fawkes and his fellow conspirators tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament and assassinate King James I. Their aim? To restore a Catholic monarchy. Ever since then, November 5th has been marked with bonfires, and more recently, fireworks across the UK to remember this historic event. One of the strongest links between Guy Fawkes Night and pagan traditions is the bonfire itself. The practice of lighting large fires dates back to ancient pagan harvest festivals. Fires would often be lit to ward off evil spirits and to celebrate the end of the harvest season. As autumn gives way to winter, these fires were also thought to bring light and warmth during the darker months ahead. Today's Bonfire Night traditions carry forward this custom, where fire remains a powerful symbol and focal point for celebration. The symbolism of fire. Fire is also deeply symbolic in many pagan rituals, representing purification, renewal, and the return of light. In some ways, Bonfire Night carries on this ancient reverence for fire. Lighting bonfires on Guy Fawkes Night can be seen as a nod to these age-old beliefs, using fire as a way to ward off the darkness of winter and to symbolize resilience. So while Guy Fawkes Night remembers a specific historical event, the role of fire taps into much older traditions that celebrate its ability to cleanse and protect. Community gathering. Another similarity is the communal aspect of Guy Fawkes Night. Across the UK, people gather together with friends and family to watch fireworks, share food, and of course, enjoy the bonfire. This sense of community is also central to many pagan festivals, where people would come together to mark the seasonal changes and reconnect as a group. Celebrations like these offered a time for reflection and shared experience, just as Bonfire Night does today, even if the focus has shifted. Burning effigies. And finally, there's the tradition of burning effigies. On Guy Fawkes Night, it's common to burn an effigy of Guy Fawkes himself. This practice isn't unique to Bonfire Night. In many pagan rituals, effigies were burned as symbols of renewal or purification. These figures could represent the death of the old year, or a cleansing of negativity, allowing communities to start fresh. Today, the burning of the Guy can be seen as a symbolic release, reflecting this ancient idea of using fire to purify and renew. So while Guy Fawkes Night is rooted in a specific historical story, its traditions have connections to even older customs. The bonfires, the gathering of people, and even the burning of effigies resonate with elements of ancient pagan festivals, celebrating fire, community, and the turning of the seasons. This blending of history and tradition reminds us how our cultural celebrations evolve, weaving together layers of meaning from different times and beliefs. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed learning about the links between Guy Fawkes Night and pagan traditions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other historical or cultural connections you'd like me to explore. See you next time.